century,
ସେ 18
Philip was the great man of God.
ଆଉ ସେ ପ୍ରଭୁଙ୍କ
He is a very, very anointed man of God.
ସେ ଅତି ସେ ଅବସ୍ଥିତ ରହିଥିଲେ
When he prayed,
ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରୁଥିଲେ
people were healed.
ଲୋକମାନେ
One day,
ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ
there was a small conference in there.
ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ସଭା ହଉଥିଲା
When he was preaching,
ସେ ପ୍ରଚାର କରୁଥିଲେ
speaking his word for preaching. Preaching.
ସେ ପ୍ରଚାର କରୁଥିଲେ
Many people are coming forward
ଅନେକ ଆଗକୁ ଆସିଲେ
for healing.
ସୁସ୍ଥ ହେଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ
Pastor praying one by one.
ସେ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା ଗୋଟେ ପରେ ଗୋଟେ
Many people are blessed.
ଅନେକ ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦ ପାଇଲେ
One lady came to the pastor.
ଜଣେ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ଜଣେ ଲେଡିସ୍ ଆସିଲେ
She has a big tumor.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ ବୁଢ଼ା ଥିଲା
When he prayed,
ସେ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରିଦେବେ
after praying, done,
ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା ସରିଲା ପରେ
within fraction of seconds.
ଆଉ କିଛି ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ
Listen, church.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
She going back.
ସେ ପଛକୁ ଗଲେ
Immediately,
ହଠାତ୍
the tumor was gone.
ଆଉ ସେ ଟ୍ୟୁମର
Immediately, the woman was shouting, Pastor Spain! Pastor Spain! My tumor was gone! My tumor was gone! Immediately, Smith was tell, come forward. Shut up and get out of this place. Shut up and get out of this place. I'm not doing anything. Glorify Jesus.